Hello everyone, welcome to back to Snap. Download in the Flipkart apps and play our money on the more super coins. And then now start only correct answer.
Quiz Daam Sahi Hai Season 2 Episode 160 Robot Pegam Cleaner. And the number one questions Flipkart quiz. What is the MRP of Realme Q2 voice Bluetooth headset? And the now of the right answers 2499. And now of the second number questions is the MRP of live smart robot with dried up vacuum mopping the cleaner greater than or less than. And now of the right answers greater than 30,000. And the last of the Flipkart quiz number 3 questions. Fill in the missing digits the MRP of Delight Com Wall Mountain Salt Rack is. And now the right answer 3,384 and 1,38,000.